Hi, I'm the Sandman. You might ask yourself why your sand picture is moving through so fast and doesn't make those beautiful landscapes you have seen online. I show you a trick how you can fix that. It's about how you turn the sand picture. You get two ways to turn it. That's one way. You see what happens. The air is standing here on the side and it's not here. It cannot hold the sand here. Now it's moving through very fast. The better way is just lift it, flip it over like this, and you see what happens. The air is spreading out and starting to capture the sand, holding the sand back, so that this one will move slowly and this one will move pretty fast. The slow one will create landscapes, mountains, and this one will create probably a dune or maybe just 3 layers of different kind of sands.